The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not provide a specific maximum height requirement for mounting subpanels. However, there are general requirements outlined in the NEC that apply to all electrical equipment installations, which includes subpanels. These general requirements primarily concern accessibility and visibility. Subpanels must be readily accessible and operable without the use of portable ladders or other special equipment as stated in NEC 110.26. Furthermore, subpanels must be visible and not obscured by other equipment or materials, according to NEC 110.26. While the NEC doesn't explicitly address the height of subpanel installations, these general requirements can be interpreted to suggest that subpanels should not be mounted at excessive heights. Mounting a subpanel at, for example, 10 feet above the floor may make it difficult to operate the circuit breakers, especially for individuals with limited reach or mobility. A subpanel mounted at such a height may also not be readily visible, which can hinder troubleshooting and emergency response efforts. Although not a specific code violation in itself, it is generally recommended to mount subpanels to height that ensures both accessibility and visibility. A common practice is to mount subpanels between 4 feet and 6 feet above the floor level. This allows for easy operation and maintains good visibility while still complying with the NEC accessibility requirements. There are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, the purpose of the subpanel is important. If the subpanel is used for switching circuits, accessibility becomes even more critical. Circuit breakers should be readily accessible to disconnect circuits in the event of an emergency. Secondly, local code requirements should be checked. Some local jurisdictions may have specific height requirements for subpanel installations, so it is always best to check with the local building code authority for any applicable regulations. In conclusion, while the NEC doesn't specify a maximum height for subpanels, it is generally recommended to mount them at a height that ensures accessibility, visibility, and compliance with any local code requirements. This helps to ensure safe and efficient operation and maintenance of the electrical system.